The nation was unable to add to its 2 silver medals on a dramatic final day at the IAAF World Indoor Athletics Championships in Birmingham, England, which saw the women's 4x400 metre relay team disqualified after coming across the line in second place. Jordan Fort tells us more.
So Jamaica ended the 2018 World Indoor Championships here in Birmingham with 2 silver medals. Now the women in the 4x400 meters relay had an opportunity to add to that medal tally today, and in fact thought they did when they crossed the line second, but later found out they were disqualified. Here is their immediate reaction following the race.
We came out here as a team to represent our country, and we were planning on breaking the national record, of course, and to get a medal. We did that, so we are grateful. It's my first time running indoor. I'm very happy with the national indoor record, and I'm just very glad that the girls did all their best out there. And you see the results, we're silver medalists and record holders.
I mean, this is my first global championship, my first global medal, and I'm very happy. My main aim was just to go there. I know the US athletes went out fast, so I wanted just to keep it back on close so that my teammates could make up whatever I did.
We are grateful for what we did because we came out here and we did our best to get this record, and we're just happy.
But of course, their celebrations were short-lived as they learned of their disqualification only minutes after completing the interview. The disqualification came under Rule 214, which says that the waiting athlete on the second, third and fourth legs shall, under the direction of a designated official, place themselves in the same order of their respective team members as they enter the last bend. It also goes on to say that once the incoming athlete has passed this point, the waiting athlete shall maintain their order and shall not exchange positions at the beginning of the takeover zone. The Jamaican team had appealed that decision, but after an hour of waiting, that appeal was thrown out. In total, 4 teams filed appeals following the race, with Ukraine, Poland and Great Britain also lodging complaints. Only the British team, who had also been disqualified initially, were successful with their appeal, as they were reinstated and ended with the bronze medal clocking 3 minutes 29.38 seconds. The United States won gold in a championship record 3 minutes 23.85, with Poland getting silver in 3 minutes 26.09. Earlier, Jamaica's only other competitor on today's final day, Ronald Levy, narrowly missed out on making progress to the men's 60-meter hurdles final. Levy clocked 7.62 seconds, a hundredth of a second outside of a qualifying spot. The 2 silver medals meant Jamaica finished second in the medal table, which was topped by the USA with 18 medals, including 6 gold. Ethiopia with 4 gold medals and Poland with 2 gold medals were second and third respectively. So with the indoor season now completed, Jamaica's athletes now turn their attention to the outdoor season and the Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, Australia. Reporting from Arena Birmingham, the site of the 2018 World Indoor Championships, I'm Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.